So namaste and good morning to all of you. And thank you for being here, Dr. Satyalakshmi, you especially, because I know you are traveling today and it's making time. And my other dear colleagues, doctors, senior doctors, and others who made it possible to come here. I was told in the office that more people will join in. Maybe they were waiting to see who all are going to the class and then join. Anyway, so on behalf of the Gandhi Fellowship Program, we've decided to have a series of workshops on non-violent communication and other programs of peace building. So this is the first of the workshops on anger management and peace building. So if you have looked at the statistics, in the past 2 years there were almost 274 cases of hate crimes in India. In which I think there were 25 deaths because of these hate crimes. And how many people were arrested and was justice done? Very few, not many. So that being the background and scenario, what can we do about hate? Hate emerges from anger, feeling angry. Anger is a very strong emotion, as you all know, which affects parts of the brain. We'll see all of that later. But managing anger is important for us to eventually have peace. Yeah? So having said that, Madam, would you like to share a few thoughts to start with?
Anger should be managed because it cannot be avoided. Yeah, whether we like it or not, we get angry and things may go out of control. There are so many instances that we know for sure. When angry, we lose control over our thought process, and it takes a different route altogether. And so then we do things which we may not like and we may regret later. But at that time, it completely overpowers us. So that is the saddest part. It is not that the person as such. That's why Gandhiji also, why we are doing a part of Gandhiji, but the program is, he said, don't hate sin, hate the sin. So when we understand, because somebody may do something wrong, we will say very easily that he's a bad person or she's a bad person. But the intention may be not that. Because all of us go through this. And our own family members or colleagues and close friends and associates who are such good persons, but under the cloud of anger, they may do things which are absolutely not acceptable. Then what do? We get into anger again. So that's what happens. Anger only begets anger, and then more and more wrong things, and things may get complicated. So to avoid all this, we have to learn to manage, because we have to learn to live with this, because there are n number of things in the universe that may go against our plans and our intended activities. So that's when we get into angry mode. And if you go through other philosophers like G.P. Krishnamurti and all that, so angry is one of those emotions which will really change your character completely. And we get into angry soon. The more we are in fear of losing something, fear of not attaining something, fear of this, fear of that, fear of that. It is fear that is one step uh, uh, a precursor for angry. And sometimes it's not even that. It is just that our own ego, and you develop a character for yourself over the period of time. And so I want to be like this, I am like this, I have to be like this, for no reason. And we unnecessarily put hurdles to ourselves and then get into that kind of a situation. So getting out of anger, we should also get out of fears of many things, so many fears with which we live, with which we die. So I think Naina will take us through all those conditions where we can live with anger. Because road rages, I don't know, she has not taken it up still. And we see youngsters, earlier days we used to think, we are under the impression that youngsters their angry is quick, live short while and then it's off. Whereas little, matured people, they don't know to show off their anger, but then they continue to have this in their mind. And most of these films also, if you see RRR or any other, it's rage, anger, violence. This is shown as something very great, and then getting 1,000 crores in first day, second day, third day is shown as success, because people are driven to believe that these are good emotions. Whether they are good or whether it is doing good is a big question mark, but getting more collections need not be seen as success, but the real sense of security comes from peaceful coexistence. So that peaceful coexistence can get affected with anger as a very negative emotion, if we see it. But in many cases, anger will also act as a very positive thing. Somebody will get angry if you don't do this, so you perform better. So it works that way, but showing anger is bad per se, per person. In Vipassana, I am a Vipassana practitioner, and it is told that if you are angry and you say something, it is not the other person who receives your outburst will be affected. It is you who will be affected first. And there is no other way. There is no other way the nature will work. It first affects you in a very, very negative way. So it is for you to choose whether you want to really show off your anger. So it's a choice. And there is no way of not getting affected first ourselves. So we have to be extremely mindful of this. I think that is what is the whole effort of this session. Let's listen to it. Thank you. Yeah. Thanks for actually thinking about this aspect. That is very, very important. We think that it's not there. And we get angry on people who can bear us. It's not that we get angry on anyone. So there are a number of other compounding factors that work. And so, yeah, let's discuss and please participate. That is more important. Thank you.
Thank you,
Just
ma'am,
starting
for
now.
that
I
rather
think we should go for that.
inspiring start for the workshop. Like I said, this will be the first of its kind in peace building. We will have other speakers also, so you won't have to bear with me only. So having said that, स्टूडेंट्स जो है, अगर आपको मेरी अंग्रेज़ी समझ में नहीं आ रही है तो प्लीज़ ट्रांसलेशन मांगिए, ट्रांसलेट कर लीजिए. तो ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हम जो गुस्सा है, एंगर है, तो उस क्रोध जो बोलते हैं हिंदी में, तो उसको हम मैनेज कैसे करें. क्योंकि कुछ क्रोध अच्छा होता है, कुछ बहुत सारा क्रोध जो होता है वो बुरा होता है. इसे रेज, मैम ने अभी बोला रोड रेज. तो कुछ साल पहले, 3-4 साल पहले, एक हमारे फ्रेंड है, उनकी बेटी जर्नलिस्ट है थी दिल्ली में, और रात के समय वो दिल्ली में गाड़ी चला रही थी और दो लड़के और एक गाड़ी से जा रहे थे, उसको ओवरटेक करने की कोशिश कर रहे थे, बट शी मैनेज टू ओवरटेक देम. सो दे स्टॉप्ड हर कार, got her out and shot her. She died. This was a case of severe road rage. Then, like I was saying, hate crimes. India, there have been 247 hate crimes, and these have been against certain communities, certain people, color, caste, religion, whatever. And out of which almost 25 people have died. So these are horrific statistics. So there is lynching, there is stone throwing, all kinds of things. Then young children, छोटे बच्चे जो गन लेके घूमते हैं यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में, मार डालते हैं टीचर को. और हमारे यहाँ भी होता है टीचरों को मारना, पीटना. It's happening. It's in the south. We had the case, some years ago, where the teacher she'd been angry with the student. So the student decided, now I'm going to be angry with the teacher. So anyway, this is all because of expectations we had from each other. So again, like I said, part of the Gandhi Fellowship program is about peace building. So there are different ways of building peace, one of which is managing our emotion. And when we get angry, we always react. So we are saying through this exercise today, we will learn how to respond properly. We learn to respond to situations where we feel we are getting angry. So we'll run through the technical part of it first, then we'll do some process work if you all have time. How many of you all can stay through this for an hour or more? Okay, great. So if you can stay through this, there is process work. So if you find the lecture boring, then please remember you missed out the fun part, which is much later, right? Okay. So what did Gandhiji say about anger? It's important because many people thought he was a very angry person, because he was a perfectionist, he had these ideals, and he followed them through. He had this conviction about life and all that. So many said he was very angry, but many said he was not an angry person. So he says, it is not that I do not get angry, I don't give vent to my anger, I cultivate the quality of patience. As angerlessness, and generally speaking, I succeed. That means the point he's trying to make is controlling anger. Now he was able to control his anger, but I only control my anger when it comes. How I find it possible to control it would be a useless question, or it is a habit that everyone must cultivate and must succeed in forming by constant practice. कुछ साल पहले there was a research done some years ago on anger, and they said what happens is, these were researchers from these really top universities like Cornell and Harvard and all that, and they said what happens when you give vent to anger. Gussa aaya, punch the punching bag. What happens? What do you think happens? What is your guess?
BP raises.
Yeah, but you're giving vent to anger. You're using a punching bag, punching.
Action.
Yeah, there's action. So what happens as a result of that? Does anger become less?
It moves.
Yes?
It grows. It raises.
How many of you think it becomes less? कम होता है. ऐसा गुस्सा निकालने से गुस्सा कम होता है. कितने लोगों को लगता है? Giving vent. How many feel it becomes more? So it actually, they found that it grows like fire. It's like fire and it grows. No? So again, what he is saying, his whole experiment was, Gandhiji's experiment showed him that if I am able to control it and make it a habit, then my anger is in check. Yeah? So why should we keep anger in check? Okay, now we're saying holy anger. What do all these great religions say about anger? What do they say? Why use this word, holy anger? Once I was walking in Geneva, I was walking through this road near where I was staying, and I suddenly saw a restaurant called Holy Cow. I said, these people also think cow is holy? And then I went closer. There was a menu. Beef curry, beef something, beef that, beef this. So this was a restaurant only about tea. So मैंने झट से फोटो निकाला और मेरी मासी को भेजा. वो बहुत धार्मिक औरत है और रोज गाय की पूजा करती है. तो मैंने बोला यहाँ भी देखो गाय की कैसे पूजा करते हैं, होली काउ बोले. So anyway, होली एंगर, नो, ये जो गुस्सा क्रोध है जिसको हम बहुत नज़दीक से नो चिपक के रहते हैं इसके साथ. What does it say? So in this thing in Bhagavad Gita it says that
I will recite that sloka.
Yeah.
क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः, सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः, स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशात्, बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति, बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. So anger leads to clouding of judgment. It in fact affects your buddhi. We have to go to what you call, I think our mind body medicine doctor maybe, it is mano, buddhi, ahankara, chitta. If you have to go to chitta level, which is our yoga, essence of yoga, you are stuck at buddhi itself. Your buddhi itself will get clouded with anger if you continue to engage with anger, whether your own anger or others' anger also. So that is the shloka of Bhagavad Gita that she is referring to.
Thank you. That was an excellent explanation. So what happens when we go into rage, very angry, is that we become paralyzed. We cannot take appropriate action. We cannot respond. Then in the Quran, the Prophet, may peace be on him, if one of you becomes angry, then he should stay silent. So there's a story behind it, how he says that if Prophet Muhammad says that if you get angry, just remain quiet, don't react. Yeah? So that's one there. Then whoever is slow to anger has great understanding, but he who has a hasty temper exalts folly. That means when we get angry, we will do stupid things. That's what the Bible says. Again, there is a story there that it is best that we do not react when we get angry. Thank you. Then you will not be punished for your anger, but you will be punished by your anger. This is what the Buddha said. And he also said that being angry is like holding a coal in your hand. आप कोयले को हाथ में पकड़ते हो जब गुस्सा आता है और फेंकते हो दूसरी की तरफ, लेकिन आपका हाथ ऑलरेडी जल चुका होता है. So then how many crimes are there per day in India? India has recorded an average of 80 murders and 77 rape cases daily in 2020. National Crime Records Bureau report revealed on Wednesday. With an average of 80 murders, India reported a total of 29,193 fatalities with Uttar Pradesh topping the chart. So लोग जो मर गए क्राइम की वजह से ना, हेट क्राइम की वजह से, गुस्से की वजह से. Then
I thought the UP has more saints. It's a land of saints.
Land of saints. Then what kind of saints? I think maybe definition of saint is. Then anger will cause a sage to lose his wisdom. A person who is destined for greatness will forfeit it. यानी अगर कोई इंसान बहुत महात्मा बनना चाहता है, गुस्से की वजह से वो खो देगा, वो महात्मापन खो देगा. Then passions like anger, pride, deceit, greed are called sticky because they act like glue in making karmic particles stick to the soul, resulting in banta. That means हम लोग फंस जाते हैं इसी चक्कर में ना, लाइफ के चक्कर में, जन्म मृत्यु के चक्कर में अगर हम गुस्सा करते हैं, क्रोध, मोह, लोभ वगैरह, तो ये जैन लोगों का मानना है कि द संकल्पास बिकम स्ट्रॉन्गर एंड देन वी कैन नॉट गेट आउट ऑफ इट, स्पेशली बिकॉज ऑफ एंगर. Then falling into any one of these rivers of anger, greed, material attachment and cruelty will result in alienation. तो गुरबानी में, सिख लोगों के गुरबानी में ये कहा गया है कि अगर हम गुस्सा वगैरह करते हैं तो हम लोग नष्ट हो जाएंगे, हमारा जो सोल है वो पूरी तरह से नष्ट हो जाएगा. Okay, so what is anger? So it's an emotion characterized by antagonism towards someone or something you feel has deliberately done you wrong. तो एंगर में कितने लोग चाहिए? At least, you need 2 people. Either it is you and God, or you and mummy, you and daddy, you and husband, you and wife. So you need 2 people at least. गुस्सा करने के लिए 2 लोगों की जरूरत होती है. Then anger can be a good thing. It can give you a way to express negative feelings, for example, or motivate you to find solutions to problem. But excessive anger can cause problems. It's an obvious. I mean, it's a given. आप मानते हो क्या? आप लोग सब मानते हो कि गुस्सा excessive हो तो उससे तकलीफ होती है, problems बढ़ते हैं. मानते हो आप? So what happens when you get angry? जब हमको गुस्सा आता है तब ब्रेन में क्या होता है? क्या प्रक्रिया चलती है? तो वो जो फिल्म थी ना मुन्ना भाई में, वो बोलता है ना केमिकल लोचा क्या होता है, तो दैट व्हाट हैपेंस इज द ब्रेन शंट्स ब्लड अवे फ्रॉम द गट एंड टुवर्ड्स द मसल्स इन प्रिपरेशन फॉर फिजिकल एक्सर्शन. यानी मन आपका क्या है, बॉडी कैसे रिएक्ट करता है, सारा खून जो है वो मसल्स की तरफ जाता है क्योंकि आपको कुछ करना, you want to do something physically, that means throw something or hit someone, move away from there, right? So the blood will all go towards that. Then the heart rate, blood pressure and respiration increases, the body temperature rises and the skin perspires. You have felt that, no? When you get angry, what happens? You start perspiring, sweating, then there's palpitation, no? All those reactions happen. Is it good for the body? अच्छा है क्या for the body? Okay, so what causes anger? गुस्सा क्यों आता है हमको? एक फिल्म आई थी एल्बर्ट पिंटो को गुस्सा क्यों आता है? Have you seen that movie? I think it was in the 80s. Maybe you all were not born at that time. कुछ लोग पैदा भी नहीं हुए होंगे. But yeah. So there are a lot of films made on anger, no? So what causes anger? It could be anything. It could be family issues है, financial issues है. Then for some people anger is caused by an underlying disorder such as alcoholism or depression. Then anger itself isn't considered a disorder, but anger is known symptom of several mental conditions. अगर आपको कोई mental condition है, जैसे कि बहुत stress है, या you have some borderline personality disorder, तो जब मानसिक ये होते हैं रोग अगर आपको हो, तो उन लोगों को गुस्सा ज़्यादा आता है. So it's like a manifestation of their mental illnesses. So then chronic anger has been linked to health issues such as blood pressure, heart problems, headaches, skin disorders and digestive problems. In addition, anger can be linked to problems such as crime, emotional, physical abuse and violence. So because of anger, you will get affected, your physical, your body will get affected, definitely. Long-term anger, okay? Because you can't say, "Arey, I used to walk every day, eat proper food, and still I have all these issues of high BP and diabetes." Why is that? Maybe you've been shouting at your secretary, you've been shouting at your subordinates, at your wife or your husband, or your children. Anger, you have a lot of anger. There is a medical issue called toxic anger syndrome. A lot of bosses suffer from that. You know that TAS it is called, toxic anger syndrome. यानी बहुत चिल्लाना जोर जोर से दूसरों की तरफ, यानी जो अपने अंदर काम करते हैं उनके ऊपर. Wherever you feel you have more power, you show anger. That's the only way you know how to control people, right? So it's called toxic anger syndrome, and it definitely doesn't help. These people in the long run, say 5 or 6 years down the line, they will have physical problems. Okay, now I'll give you an example. I want you to think and tell me. There is a boss who is shouting at his secretary, and your cabin is close by, or you all are sitting around in the office, but you hear the shouting and screaming. Who is getting affected? Why? Vibration.
Environment ही affect होगा, उस area का सब माहौल ही affect होगा.
जिस पे हम चिल्लाते हैं, चीखते हैं या मारते हैं, what happens to that person? उनको ट्रॉमा होता है ना, सफरिंग फ्रॉम ट्रॉमा. लेकिन आप लोग क्यों अफेक्ट हो गए? कुछ लोग तालियां बजाते हुए सब राइट सही है, लेकिन ऐसा होता है क्या? यू आर ऑल ऑफ अस आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. दैट्स द बॉटम लाइन, राइट? ऑल ऑफ अस आर गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. व्हाई?
It's a negative emotion.
Yeah, negative. It's a toxic place. But why do all of us get affected? So what is the title of this workshop? Anybody remembers? Peace is disturbed. Okay. हम लोग इतने अलग हैं क्या एक दूसरे से? Are we so different? That Dr. Yuvraj has a special DNA, Dr. Amal Roshan has a special DNA, हाँ? और इनका अलग है, इनका अलग है. ऐसा है क्या? ऐसा है क्या? है? We are special. Others are something, and I'm special. I'm not going to be affected. ऐसा है? No. हम लोग सब जुड़े हुए हैं ना एक दूसरे से. We are somehow connected. Collective unconscious बोलता है वो कार्ल यूंग हमेशा. और हमारे यहाँ तो बहुत सारा बोला है हमारे योगा में, इसमें. एक बार रमन महर्षि जो है हमारे बहुत बड़े गुरु संत हुए, उनको पूछा गया हाउ डू वी ट्रीट अदर्स, हम दूसरों से कैसे बर्ताव करें? तो उनका जवाब क्या था?
How you want to be treated.
That is Christ. That is Christ. What did Bhagwan Ramana Maharishi say? He said there are no others. He said there are no others. So it's a huge thing, huge. I mean, it's important. It's actually simple, but when you hear it, it comes across as huge. So there are really no others. We are all somehow connected with each other. Please understand that. So if I hit somebody, it's affecting everyone. There are ripple effects. There's a war in Ukraine. Are we getting affected? Yeah, we are getting affected. The stock markets are going down. We are not going to get oil after some time. All these problems, and people are hounding India. Why are you taking a neutral stand? Blah blah blah. So we are all getting affected. No? So please don't forget. Don't think that we are living on island. हम लोग island की तरह नहीं जिएंगे, जी रहे हैं. हम लोग सब connected है, इसलिए दर्द होता है, right? जब बॉस चिल्लाता है सेक्रेटरी पे, सबको तकलीफ होती है. भले हमको अच्छा भी लगे थोड़ी वक्त के, लेकिन we know that all that is affecting us deeply, right? Then chronic long-term anger is not good. Please remember. Yeah. So what are the basic 3 types? There are many. DSM has defined 12 types. जो American Psychological Association है उन्होंने बहुत सारे define किए हैं. लेकिन ये basic 3 है जिसको बोलते हैं पैसिव एंगर, पैसिव अग्रेशन जो बोलते हैं. पैसिव अग्रेशन क्या होता है? उदाहरण क्या होता है? पैसिव का मतलब है शांति वाला एंगर, शांत एंगर. जैसे कि मीटिंग होती है ऑफिस की, देयर इज अ मीटिंग, ऑफिस मीटिंग, एंड द बॉस सेज प्लीज गिव मी आइडियाज. सो यू से यू नो व्हाट, you know the last time I worked hard on that presentation, you didn't even as much as say a thank you to me, so I'm going to keep quiet now. I will not give you any idea. Okay? I'm going to keep my mouth shut and let you suffer. go on asking this question. Please give me your make this request again and again. I want that is passive anger, passive aggression. Then you see in the house also, many times the husband is hiding behind the newspaper and the wife goes on saying that we need to go for a holiday, and that plumber has not come, you've been sleeping all Saturday, Sunday, what is this? And he continues. I will be reading my newspaper like it's so important. I'm going to become the next Prime Minister of India. I'm not going to listen to you. This is passive aggression. Okay? Then open aggression. What is open aggression? Stone pelting, hitting, shouting, screaming. Openly you are anger dikhate ho. Right? Then righteous anger. Righteous anger is when you try to, but this is not anger really. It is more like assertive behavior. We can't call it anger, but it comes out of a righteous anger. यानी हम बोलते क्या कहते हैं उसको मराठीत आपण म्हणतो सात्विक संताप म्हणून. सात्विक आप जानते हो ना, तामसिक, रजसिक, सात्विक यानी वो क्या कहते हैं, ये सही है, मेरा गुस्सा आना इज जस्टिफाइड, आई एम करेक्ट इन गेटिंग एंग्री, ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू फाइट फॉर माय राइट. ये वाला जो गुस्सा है इसको बोलते हैं राइचियस एंगर. जैसे इन द बाइबल देयर वाज अ डे व्हेन जीसस गोज टू द टेंपल एंड ही फाइंड्स दैट एवरीबॉडी सेलिंग थिंग्स, दे आर यूजिंग द चर्च टू सेल थिंग्स, दे मेड इट अ मार्केट प्लेस. सो ही गोज वेरी एंग्रीली एंड ही brings down all these stalls. He's so angry. He said, this is a place of worship and you've converted it into a commerce zone. What's wrong with you? That's righteous anger. So he wanted to bring people's attention back to what was important and he showed his anger. Then also they say, anyway, this might get a little sticky, so I won't go into more of righteous anger, but we'll talk about it later. Then we talk about peace now before we move on to our process. Peace, is it real? Peace really है क्या? ऐसी कोई चीज़ है क्या? या is it a myth? माइथोलॉजी में, पुराणों में लिखा गया है, लोगों के धर्म ग्रंथों में लिखा गया है, पीस, शांति, सद्भावना, ये सचमुच है क्या? ऐसा हो सकता है क्या? Can we have peace? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yeah, possible.
Yes.
So what really is peace? It is freedom or a period of freedom from public disturbance or war. इसको बोलते हैं एक्सटर्नल पीस ना, बाहरी पीस जो है, जहाँ पर युद्ध नहीं है या झगड़ा नहीं है, चिल्ला चिल्ली नहीं है, आवाज़ नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा. That is when we say there is peace, शांति है. Then a quiet and calm state of mind. When we come to in our yoga, what do we say? We say calmness, अंदरूनी, अंदर से आप शांति महसूस करते हैं. So quietness, आवाज़ नहीं है, आपका मन चल बिचल नहीं है, बहुत थॉट्स नहीं है. So that is a peaceful state, शांति है. Then agreement and harmony among people. ये बहुत मुश्किल है. Harmony is what? Harmony है एक दूसरे के विचारों के बारे में ये करना, सहमति होना. You are okay with each other's thoughts. There is harmony among people. Agreement. You agree. You say, हाँ ठीक है. If you take a decision, I am okay with it. Any decision that's to be taken, you are in agreement. Then there is peace of mind. And there is no conflict. Conflict का मतलब है द्वंद. Like conflict यानी you have to take a decision. आपको इस पार जाना है या उस पार, है ना? That can disturb your peace. When there is conflict in thoughts, taking action, taking decision, that is when your peace is disturbed. But if all this is in alignment, सब कुछ alignment में है, अंदर से आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, I have taken a decision and I am feeling good about it, then you have peace of शांति, right? तो इसके लिए हम कोशिश करते हैं क्या रोज? Do we try for this every day? Are we trying for peace every day? Yes or no? You want that, no? आपको चाहिए या नहीं चाहिए? You're happy in this state, high arousal state, stress, anger, disturbed thoughts. Do you feel good about that? अच्छा लगता है आपको ऐसे रहना? हाँ या ना? नहीं ना? आपको लग रहा होगा मैम क्या इतने स्टूपिड से सवाल पूछ रही है, ऐसे स्टूपिड सवाल, ये ऑब्वियस है ना, हम लोग सब चाहते हैं, तो चाहते हैं लेकिन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Why is it not happening? That's what we are trying to figure out. Then an agreement to end war. कहीं भी war यानी वो यूक्रेन वाला AK-47 लेकर घूमना और वो करना, ये वाला war नहीं. Any war that's happening, small battles within our family, within our office, do we want to end that? उनको बंद करना है क्या? तो क्या कोशिश करनी होगी? ये agreement की बात कर रहे हैं ना. I have a question. Suppose somebody doesn't agree with you, what will you do with that person? Convince, okay. What else can you do?
Let them go.
What else can you do? Can you try to understand that person's point of view? Can you try to understand उनकी needs क्या है, उनकी ज़रूरतें क्या है, वो क्यों ऐसा बोल रहे हैं, वो क्यों अग्री नहीं हो रहे मेरे साथ, उनकी कौन सी ज़रूरत अनफुलफिल्ड रह गई है कि वो मेरे से डिसएग्री कर रहे हैं? ऐसा हम सोचते हैं कभी? तो सोचना
ये हर वक्त पॉसिबल भी नहीं रहता. ये जो आप बोल रही हैं ये हर वक्त पॉसिबल भी नहीं रहता. हम हर इंसान की ज़रूरत के बारे में समझें और उसे डील करेंगे, हर इंसान के साथ नहीं हो सकता.
क्यों? इतना वक्त नहीं होता. या फिर वो हैबिट, गांधी जी जो बोल रहे थे हैबिट बनाना, गुस्से को कंट्रोल करने का हैबिट बनाना, वैसे ही दूसरे के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू को समझना, उसके लिए क्या होता है, क्या जरूरी होता है? उसको हम बोलते हैं एम्पैथी, बोलते हैं ना, एम्पैथी. तो एम्पैथी के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ क्या होती है? सुनना. एटलीस्ट लिसन ना. हम सुनते भी नहीं है. If the person is saying something, we are looking here and there, इसको कैसे काटना है मेरे को देखना है. How do I stymie this person's argument? Anyhow, so empathy, listening, from there it all begins. Peace begins from there, and peace is doable. It can become a reality. It's a myth until it's not there, but it can become a reality. Okay, the lecture series has stopped, so I need some action now. What I will request you to do is, please stand up. और कुर्सियाँ ज़रा वो क्या है, कुर्सियाँ अंदर डाल दीजिए. हाँ, यानी I want you to come in, stand in a circle. वो गाड़ी चलती है ना, रेलगाड़ी कैसे जाती है, रेलगाड़ी बनाइए. हाँ, put chairs in a circle, like on the side. We can all sit. Okay. Please all come together in a like a train. Hold each other's back and good touch up. You can massage a person, but good touch, no bad touch. Okay. So please come. Yeah. Catch Dr. Yuvraj's shoulder and hello, come here. हाँ. तो जब तक मैं ताली बजाऊँ ना, आपको दौड़ना है. ये ट्रेन जा रही है, बम्बई जा रही है ट्रेन, पूना से. ओके, चलिए. अरे वो छूट गया है, वो दैट सब पकड़. ओके, प्लीज रन अप, रन. द लेडी प्लीज. हाँ, यू कैन गो. दौड़िए जब तक मैं ताली ना बजाऊँ. पहले बजाती रहूँ. व्हेन आई स्टॉप क्लैपिंग यू हैव टू स्टॉप. ओके, फास्टर. And massage each other's shoulder. Okay, stop. Now turn to your partner, any one partner, and share with your partner. आपने पिछले हफ्ते में कौन सा ऐसा काम किया कि आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, या आप कहीं गए थे, किसी से मिले और आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा अपने बारे में. Anything, or you did something very well. आपने बहुत अच्छा कुकिंग किया या किसी से मिले. What is it that made you very happy about yourself? Quickly share with your partner All of you have partners? Huh? Please. ओके, आप एक दूसरे का नाम जानते हो? नो ईच अदर्स नेम्स? Okay, now go back, go back. We have reached where Kaljat now. We have to go. Come on, go back. The train. Start running. Start running. Run fast now. And yes, massage each other's backs. You stop. Okay, stop. Now, find a new partner. New partner. Someone new. कोई नया पार्टनर जो आप पहले दिन साथ में रहे. न्यू पार्टनर. ओके, जस्ट शेयर योर नेम. अगर आप एक दूसरे को नहीं जानते नाम से, जस्ट शेयर योर नेम एंड आस्क दिस पर्सन क्या कहने से आपको गुस्सा आता है. हाँ? क्या सुनने से, या आपको क्या सुनाई देता है जब आपको गुस्सा है. जैसे कि कोई सवाल हो, कुछ शब्द हो. What makes you angry? Just ask each other. What makes you अभी क्या करना है ना, प्लीज ऐसे हाथ पकड़िए, आ जाइए. कम, होल्ड लाइक दैट. प्लीज कम, होल्ड लाइक दैट. हैंड्स. एक टनल बनाना है. टनल जानते हैं आप? ओपा टनल बनाएंगे. टनल बनाइए. और सुरभि कम. आई नीड वॉलंटियर्स. आई नीड अ वॉलंटियर. आइए आप दोनों यहाँ. अच्छा, you discuss what makes you happy, what makes you sad. हाँ, क्या बोलने से आपको गुस्सा आता है? कौन सा था? आपने क्या बोला? आपको क्या सुनने से गुस्सा आया? क्या बोला आपने? अच्छा, इनको ना ए सुन ऐसा बोला तो गुस्सा आता है. तो ये अंदर से जाएगी, आप सबको बोलना है ए सुन. ओके, जल्दी से जाओ. आपको जल्दी बोलना है. और क्या बोलने से आपको अच्छा लग रहा है? नाम, आपका नाम क्या है? बनीता. ओके, हाँ, पहले ए सुन बोलना है. जाइए नीचे जाइए. स्टॉप. व्हाट हैपेंड टू यू? क्या हुआ? आपको निकलना था वहां से. अच्छा, इनको ना इनका नाम लेने से बहुत अच्छा लगता है. डू यू नो व्हाट हर नेम इज? बनीता. When I say 1, 2 and 3, you come. 1, 2 and 3. Banita. Okay, good. Nice. Thank you so much for that exercise. Now please sit in your chairs. See, when she was telling you कि उसको जो गुस्सा आता है ना वो बोल देते हैं। तो हाँ थोड़ा सर्कल में बैठो, सर्कल make a circle because when you are sitting in a circle nobody is up or low, no higher up. We are all equals when we sit in a circle. So anyway, she was not happy going down, no, that tunnel, yeah, because she didn't want to live that experience, no? A sun kind of thing. That's very derogatory when you talk like that to somebody. But all of us like to hear her name. All of us love that, she said. And when you were calling out her name, I noticed that you were doing it very nicely. Sing song, कोई गा रहा था, Vanita, 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 right? Yeah. So when we are talking about peace, no? Very nice when you call out each other's name. आप किसी का नाम लेके बुलाते तो अच्छा लगता है. It's one way of building friendship. And if we are sensitive, अगर हम sensitive है, तो not to do things that bother others. आपको पता है कि उसको गुस्सा आता है, whatever, but आप फिर भी वो करते हो, तो इसका मतलब क्या है? That you are not sensitive to each other. This sensitivity training is very important if you want peace and if you want to control anger around you. तो इसने क्या सबको बोला था कि आप बुला मुझे एक, she didn't, no, but it happens and then she gets angry, right? So what we will do is we will look at we'll quickly do an affirmation for peace और एक दो करेंगे और उसके बाद हमको एक्सरसाइज करना है बिलीव्स पे, अपने विचारों पे काम करना है ना थोड़ा. तो we'll do the first the second one and the third one. I am at peace with myself and everything that surrounds me. ये सच ना हो तो भी आपको आज affirmation के तौर पे you believe that I am at peace with myself and everything that surrounds me. तो ये एक बार बोलना है, हम लोग सब साथ में बोलेंगे. Please close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe evenly. Keep your back straight. Breathe evenly. And you can repeat after me. I am at peace with myself.
I am at peace with myself
and everything that surrounds me.
and everything that surrounds me.
I feel light and calm.
I feel light and calm.
Once more. I am at peace with myself
I am at peace with myself
and everything that surrounds me.
and everything that surrounds me.
I feel light and calm.
I feel light and calm.
Keep your eyes closed. Rub your palms together, place them on your eyes. Open your eyes. Nice. How do you feel? Feel good? Okay. Now, you have paper pen? Paper and pen है? कहाँ गया? सबको दिया था ना? अच्छा मैं भी. We'll do a little bit of process work. So we are just touching on something we can control when we get angry. अच्छा, तो ये एक्सरसाइज ऐसा है कि आपको पिछले महीने में, लास्ट मंथ में, what made you angry? Was there any incident? If it is not last month, then think about the last 6 months. And this is something that is still bothering you. It is still making you angry. ऐसी कोई चीज़ है जो आपको अभी भी angry बना रहा है, What is it that's making you angry still? It could be anything, right? It could be politics, it could be your own family, it could be your teacher, it could be your mother, father, spouse, sibling, whatever it is. huh? So, any incident that has made you angry, आपका क्या है? खत्म हो गया? अच्छा, please give a page to these gentlemen so that they can also work. You need to. Okay, one incident that made you angry. अच्छा, पूरा रामायण नहीं बनाना है आपको, लिखना है आपको पांच पंक्तियों में इंसिडेंट और आपको जो गुस्सा आया ना वो लिखना है in five sentences. Which incident made you angry in the last 1 month or the past 6 months? Kept you angry. के बर्ताव में अपने आपके बिहेवियर में क्या बदलाव आया? What happened to your behavior? How did your behavior change? What happened to your behavior? What happened to your feelings? आपके feelings कैसे change? आपका behavior कैसे change? उस व्यक्ति के प्रति या फिर अपने अंदर? और इसका परिणाम और कुछ हुआ क्या? जैसे आप खाना पीना छोड़ दिया, आप वो शहर छोड़ के चले गए, या फिर आपने बातचीत करना बंद कर दिया, है ना? तो ये क्या क्या हुआ आपके साथ? Just write out that. First we'll take negative ones, negative impact जो हुआ ना, negative चीजें हुई, तो उसको लेते हैं पहले। आपको रोना आया, खाना पीना छोड़ दिया, बातचीत करना छोड़ दिया, ये जो नेगेटिव चीजें हुई ना, वो सब आप लिखिए। Person who likes to share. Anyone who wants to share. By the way, we'll keep all this confidential. If any personal matters come up, please don't share it outside. Let it remain here only. यहीं पर रहना चाहिए. But आप बाहर जाके इसके बारे में बातचीत मत कीजिएगा. अगर बहुत पर्सनल चीज़ें शेयर होती हैं यहाँ पर, तो please be very sensitive, careful not to share it outside. Yes, promise. Committed. Anyone who likes to share? Nobody wants to share at all. Somebody is waiting to share. अरे मेरे को बोलना है. हाँ, I can sense that energy. ये बहुत अगर ऑफिशियल मैटर हो, आपको नहीं पता है, ठीक है, बट आपने लिख तो दिया होगा. You might may have written it down. You want to share quickly? Yeah.
So I have a 16-year-old daughter. She's in the 10th standard. She's supposed to have exams next month. And she was supposed to not go for her Frisbee tournament last month. But because she loves playing Frisbee and her team so much, and we said, okay, fine, we got to join. But I did not study very compensate for the competition. Coming back, she didn't do that. So the competition, I felt that, so that's why I could agree. And I felt cheated.
You feel cheated.
she's taking undue advantage of the freedom that I'm giving.
You gave her freedom and she's misusing it.
That's what.
That happened.
Yes, that's
So are you still burning in that anger?
Yeah, so these things happen on and off, quite often. In fact, it happened last night also.
Last night?
Yeah, so her room was a mess, and so I had to put a gun on her. All that kind of thing, getting over all this stuff.
Yeah.
So no more Bangalore and this going to next month after the exam.
You threatened her.
Yeah. That's what it is.
That's where you are right now. So parenting, बच्चे कितने लोग हो गए हैं? मैं हाँ 1 2 3 4 yeah. So there's a parenting situation here. Very nice. Thanks for sharing. And are you on talking terms with your daughter still? You are. No problem.
So we
This
said
thing affects me
like,
when the earlier example happened.
Huh.
You know, when somebody shouts, it does it impact you?
Yeah.
It impacts.
It's affecting you. So what role do you take in that time?
Nothing. I take a very passive role. I become silent, totally silent. Okay, I don't
And so
want to
the
talk with you.
father-daughter thing goes on and on.
We keep fighting, they keep resolving, they go out for walks.
Achha. But you are that anger is similar. It's
become
there.
on and off. Yeah.
तो इनका समझ में आपको उनकी बेटी उनकी बात नहीं मानती है तो इनको बहुत गुस्सा आता है उसकी वजह से। तो ये क्या क्या होता है आपको फिर गुस्सा जब आता है तो what reaction?
So
You feel all this
I've been
brony,
cheated and
feel cheated.
her name is Gia, so Gia takes undue advantage of
You say all.
otherwise.
तो are you all resonating with what he say? आपको थोड़ा आपको समझ में आ रहा नहीं आपके साथ भी ऐसा होता होगा ना कि कोई बात नहीं मानता है
तो उसके लिए सॉल्यूशन क्या है?
हाँ सॉल्यूशन सब अपने भीतर ही है सॉल्यूशन आप बोलेंगे मैम इतना पकाया हमको और फिर ये बोल रहे हो आप उनको कैसे सीधा करें ये बताइए आप है ना तो इशू वो नहीं है वी नाउ लुक एट या एनीवन एल्स वांट्स टू शेयर या
My husband was telling all lies, and I caught him actually, but still he is not able to. I mean, he is not. Accepting his mistake. That is still going on.
so how do you feel
I feel very angry. Still I am
angry
burning inside.
burning you feel angry burning inside. You understood her problem her anger where her anger is coming from yeah so when we get angry all these things happen to us we feel cheated let down betrayal का feeling होता है you know betrayal धोखा मेरे साथ धोखा हुआ है commitment को ही नहीं करता fine just there is something you have a pen or something listen very carefully it's a very important word okay sex you heard me said sex 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 now I want your reaction to this I want you to tell me when I said sex what happened in your mind
वो जेंडर्स हैं ना अच्छा लगा
अच्छा
ये जेंडर मेरा
nothing sex so after nothing what happened after nothing privacy you said privacy silence okay.
Why this question?
Why this question? Very good. You're talking now. Nothing. You don't feel anything about sex. Nobody feels
जेंडर
gender.
जेंडर मैंने
Why are you laughing when you say gender? वो हंसी छूट रही है. हाँ? Female. Nothing. बीच में क्यों बोला सेक्स? हाँ. क्या? Curiosity. कि क्यों बोल रही है ऐसा? Nothing. हाँ अलग वर्ड बोला एकदम से, मेल फीमेल, नॉर्मल एक्टिविटी.
Why is she talking about it?
Why is she talking? What's the feeling you got? What's the feeling you got? Feeling. Feeling. Feeling जानते हैं आप? भावना. भावना. Anger भावना है ना? भावना है कि नहीं? भावना है, it's an emotion, है ना? हाँ. तो आप सब लोग भावुक हो, आप सबको गुस्सा आता है. Am I right? All of us get angry. All of us get angry. What did you feel?
So, I felt good.
Good. Huh?
Interesting.
Interesting. Happy. Yeah, here are some nice answers. Yeah? Happy. Somebody said I felt nice. Why is there a difference? Why? I use एक ही शब्द मैंने use sex.
The way what we are taking in mind, which way we are taking. For example, you are telling the sex. So I took it in that way. Gender.
Gender.
He has taken the different.
Correct.
So person to person will be changing the how they are taking into the mind
Correct. So each person.
thoughts. Or meaning taking the meaning.
Each person is thinking differently. मान के चलेंगे हम. Why? Why do we think differently? Because we all come from different families. We come from different socialization background, patterns. We are different people. Our experiences of life have been different. हम अलग अलग families से आते हैं, right? और अपना हमारा education अलग है. You know, हम जिस जगह से आए वो अलग है. Right? Because of all that. That's the reason why. What is happening over here? What did we see? 20 what? Different? Huh? Emotions, yeah. Okay. We saw 20 different ways of emoting. Why? Why? One word, the same word, but each one is, you know, thinking differently. Why? Feeling different. Not nice. Why? माइंडसेट जब हम बोलते हैं उसमें क्या आता है? हाँ, अपनी सोच है ना, thought. So when we say somebody said something to me and I got angry, does this statement make sense to you? कोई घटना घटती है, अभी मैंने सेक्स बोला, हर एक का अलग अलग विचार था, सोच था, हाँ, हर एक को अलग लगा, अंदर से भावना अलग, लेकिन हमने माना भी कि सबकी सोच अलग है, बिलीफ्स जो बोलते हैं, धारणा वो अलग है, थॉट्स. सो बहुत डॉक्टरों ने जब खोज किया कि गुस्सा क्यों आता है, ये भावना कैसे जगती है, तो इसके पीछे एक सोच होती है. देयर इज अ थॉट. तो थॉट पहले आता है या भावना पहले?
Thought आता है.
तो इन डॉक्टरों को पता चला कि देयर इज ऑलवेज अ थॉट बिफोर एन इमोशन. दैट इज व्हाई ईच वन इज टेलिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट, है ना, क्योंकि हर एक की सोच अलग है, इसलिए भावनाएं अलग. बेटे समझ में आया? इधर तक. हाँ, इसके बाद हम क्लोज करेंगे, इससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं करना. You getting it? It is our thinking. It's our belief. Okay? So what is this belief? ये सोच क्या है हमारी, जिसकी वजह से हमको गुस्सा आता है? ये क्या सोच है? What is this सोच of ours?
अपेक्षा रहती है हमें दूसरों से, वो पूरी नहीं होती है, उससे हमें.
वेरी गुड. अपेक्षा होना अच्छी बात है. अच्छा, तो थोड़ा सा हम काम करते हैं. सर, योर डॉटर when she doesn't keep her room clean, what do you? अच्छा, हम सोचते कैसे हैं? हम कैसे सोचते हैं? सोच के लिए कौन सा औजार यूज करते हैं हम? What is the tool we use for thinking? Very important, mind. How do you know mind? How do you know mind? Mind है, आप कैसे जानते हो? What is the tool you use for thinking? What is the tool we use for thinking? Fast. You are all brilliant, smart people, right?
Previous experiences.
What is the tool you use for thinking? What are we doing right now? What are we doing right now?
Senses.
What are we doing right now? What am I doing right now?
Interactive.
Talking. What is talking? It is part of. Okay. Thought. What is the tool? What is the tool the mind uses or the brain uses for thinking?
Language.
Now, how do you react? How do you react?
What I hear, like if someone says me,
So, what's happening when you hear something? What happens to you?
it reflects fast.
It's very fast.
Yeah, it's very fast and it will like क्यों है ये लगे
तो सोचने के लिए आप क्या यूज करते हो?
Language.
Language. Language. We use language to think. Correct? So what we are doing is when an incident happens, जब कोई चीज होती है, जैसे कि मैडम, can I use your example? When your husband lies to you, you use a certain language in your mind and you tell yourself something. आप एक भाषा यूज करते हो और अपने आप को कुछ बोलते हो, तो आप क्या बोलते हो अपने आप से?
जो सामने जो
नहीं, अंग्रेजी में बोलेंगी तो आप क्या बोलोगे? सर प्लीज,
ये नहीं सुन रही।
ये नहीं सुधरेगी. She will not change. Think of something else that you say. हाँ? नहीं, उनको सोचने दो, बहुत विचारवंत इंसान है. हाँ, बोलिए. What do you say about her?
She's lazy.
What do you say about her and yourself as a parent? You are a parent, right? So what are you saying about her? She
She should listen to me.
should listen to me. Madam? He should listen to me. Should. Anything else? आपका कोई और example है where you have used? So you see, I am trying to point. आपको क्या मैं बता रही हूँ? जब कोई इंसिडेंट घटता है ना, आपको गुस्सा आता है, तो हम बोलते हैं, मराठी का पण म्हणतो आग्रह धरणे. आग्रह धरतो ना आपण. हम बोलते हैं कि she should listen to me. I am her parent. She should listen to me. She must keep her room clean. She must keep her.
Instruction. Instruct. You have to do it.
Have to do it. Huh? He must listen to me. He's my husband. हमने साथ फेरे लिए हैं. He must obey me, or I must obey him. Whatever. We'll do both ways. I must obey him. He should not lie. Why? Because it is said in that some Puranas or whatever, they have said lying is very bad. 10 commandments में है ना, you shall not lie. What religion में you should not lie. So getting it. So this should and must हम जो बोलते हैं ना, इससे ऐसा ही करना चाहिए, इसने वैसा ही करना चाहिए, मुझे इससे तकलीफ नहीं देनी चाहिए. ये जो हम पकड़ के रखते हैं ना इस बिलीफ को, ये should and must जो है, उसको बोलते हैं demandingness. We'll close after this because there is a lot more. If you like another session, we'll do more. But demandingness, you get it? So demandingness का मतलब क्या है? Should and must. ऐसे आपका self talk होता है. So what you have to do is when you get angry, you have to catch your self talk. What am I saying to myself? जैसे कि मैंने वो शब्द यूज किया सेक्स, तब आपको सबने कुछ कुछ सोचा ना, अलग अलग क्या हो रहा था वहाँ पर. You were telling yourself something. Yeah? पहले सोच थी, बाद में वो भावना जगी कि इट इज गुड, इट इज बैड, इट इज नाइस, इट इज नॉट नाइस, राइट? यू गेटिंग इट? और एक भाई साहब ने यहाँ बोला अपेक्षा के बारे में. Who told? You talked about अपेक्षा. So अपेक्षा क्या होते हैं? एक्सपेक्टेशन. एक्सपेक्टेशन होना अच्छी बात है. To have an expectation is good. I expect my daughter to be more disciplined. I expect my daughter to be grateful to me. I expect my husband to be truthful to me. I expect my husband to trust me. I demand that my husband should trust me. It's my demand. Huh? It's not my expectation. I want it. ये I wanted जो है ना, ये एक्शन वाला, हाँ, डिमांडिंगनेस, व्हाट इज दैट? इट्स एक्सेसिव इमोशन. बहुत ज़्यादा इमोशनल हो रहे हैं हम लोग, है ना? वो कौन से अमिताभ बच्चन वाले सारे पिक्चर्स हैं ना, वो दीवार वगैरह. हैव यू सीन दोस मूवीज? या पैदा भी नहीं हुए थे आप तक, नो, यू मे बी वर नॉट बॉर्न. But you know, this excessive emotion. ये Indians, as Indians, we are like that. We are excessively emotional होतो आपण, आग्रह धरतो. त्यांनी असंच केलं पाहिजे, तसंच केलं पाहिजे, माझ्या मनाविरुद्ध गेला कसा काय तो. You know, my children should obey their parents. Children must not behave like this. A husband should be faithful, agreeable, nice human being, etc. So अपेक्षा होना अच्छी बात है, लेकिन जब हम उसको डिमांड्स में बदलते हैं तब हमारा गुस्सा बढ़ने लगता है, राइट? 3 चीजों से गुस्सा बढ़ता है. नंबर 1 इज ग्लोबल इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ सेल्फ एंड अदर्स. ग्लोबल इवैल्यूएशन का मतलब क्या है? ये आदमी अच्छा है या बुरा है? श्रीलंकन लोग सब बुरे हैं, ये ग्लोबल इवैल्यूएशन. आपको पता है क्या? आप गए हो सारे श्रीलंकन लोगों के पास पूछने के लिए, देखने के लिए उनका बर्ताव कैसा है, वो कैसे लोग हैं? नो, बट यू मेक अ ग्लोबल इवैल्यूएशन. हम अच्छे हैं, दूसरे बुरे हैं. वहां से गुस्सा बढ़ता है, हेट बढ़ता है. सेकेंड इज डिमांडिंगनेस, जो हमने बोला, मस्ट एंड शुड पकड़ के रखना कि इसने मेरे साथ ऐसे ही बर्ताव करना चाहिए वगैरह. अपेक्षा ना हो कि ये डिमांड हो जाए. कैन यू डिमांड ऑफ अदर्स एनीथिंग? शुड यू डिमांड? इज इट ओके टू डिमांड? क्योंकि उनकी भी मजबूरियां होंगी, उनकी जरूरतें हैं. अगर आप डिमांड करोगे तो वो भी डिमांड करेगा. वो चलेगा आपको? नहीं ना. हाँ या ना? आप बोर हो गए कि यू नीड अ ब्रेक. डू यू नीड अ ब्रेक? इफ यू नीड अ ब्रेक, लेट मी. But you are closing any case. Second is demandingness, which makes you angry. Third is low frustration tolerance. Low frustration tolerance का मतलब क्या है? हमारे ज़माने में ना, वो रेलवे की टिकट लेनी पड़ती थी ना, लंबी कतार होती, तब ऑनलाइन वगैरह नहीं होता. मैंने यू कैन, आई थिंक जनरेशन, so we had to stand in this queue for anything, whether it's a movie ticket or a railway ticket or whatever. You have to stand in a queue और लंबी कतार. So what do we say? I can't stand this. Oh my God, this is too much. Now what happens? The mobile phone is, maybe you left it in the refrigerator or on top of the refrigerator, you can't find it, and you're saying, oh, I can't stand this. I can't stand this anymore. Huh? Frustration. कोई हमको फ्रस्ट्रेशन जानते हैं आप? हिंदी शब्द क्या है उसका? अगर फ्रस्ट्रेशन आपको टॉलरेट नहीं होता है तो आप बोलते हो कि आई कैंट स्टैंड दिस, आई वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस, आई वांट टू गेट आउट ऑफ दिस. फॉर एग्जांपल, सर आपका नाम है सुजीत. हाँ, तो सुजीत जी क्या बोलेंगे? आई कैंट स्टैंड दिस डर्टी रूम ऑफ माय डॉग. आई कैंट स्टैंड दिस. लो फ्रस्ट्रेशन, वेरी लो फ्रस्ट्रेशन. I can't stand these lies anymore. I am not saying that you tolerate lying, cheating. I am not saying you should tolerate indiscipline. No. I am asking you to look into yourself and understand how you are getting angry. आप कैसे गुस्सा हो रहे हो, इसको मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि आप देखो. समझ में आया यहाँ तक? तो कौन सी 3 चीज़ें हैं जिससे हमको गुस्सा आता है? इवैल्यूएशन, इवैल्यूएशन का मतलब है हम परीक्षण कर, निरीक्षण करते हैं। हाँ, लोगों का निरीक्षण करते हैं और बोलते हैं ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है, मैं अच्छी हूँ, ये बुरा है। ग्लोबल इवैल्यूएशन। सेकेंड इज डिमांडिंगनेस, इससे सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा है। शुड एंड मस्ट, आग्रह धोरणे, असंच झालं पाहिजे, असंच झालं पाहिजे। एंड थर्ड इज नो फ्रस्ट्रेशन। तो ये सब आपके बिलीव्स है, थॉट सिस्टम में होता है। तो आप कैसे आपके साथ सेल्फ टॉक करते हो, आपका सेल्फ टॉक क्या है, व्हाट इज योर सेल्फ टॉक, दैट इज गोइंग टू डिटरमिन योर एंगर। आर यू विथ मी? गॉट इट? ओके, नाउ गो बैक एंड लुक एट योर एग्जाम्पल। आपने जो गुस्से वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया था ना, क्यों गुस्सा आया, तो आपका क्या सेल्फ टॉक क्या था, आपने क्या बोला इस व्यक्ति के बारे में या इस परिस्थिति के बारे में, क्या बोला? आपका सेल्फ टॉक देखिए, सेल्फ टॉक देखिए। अच्छा, आप सब खड़े हो जाइए। When you sit down, na, you sit with your palms under your thighs. Sit like this. Sit down now. Sit down, everybody. But with your hands under your thighs. That's it. This is a new type of yoga, yogic exercise. Or from yoga practice. तो यू वेंट बैक टू योर प्रॉब्लम, आपने जो प्रॉब्लम लिखा था। हाँ, तो क्या क्या आपका सेल्फ टॉक है, आपको समझ में आ रहा है अभी? क्रिएटिंग द सेल्फ टॉक, व्हाट इज योर सेल्फ टॉक? डू यू वांट टू कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस? आपको ऐसे ही कंटिन्यू करना है, ऐसा ही सेल्फ टॉक करते रहना है, डिमांडिंगनेस, हाँ या ना? चेंज करना है ना? कैसे लग रहा है ऐसे बैठ के? अच्छा लग रहा है? फ्रीडम लग रहा है? यू फीलिंग फ्री, लिबरेटेड, पंछी की तरह उड़ रहे हैं आप, पंछी की तरह नहीं ना, जकड़ के बैठे हैं ना? तो ये गुस्सा आपको ऐसे करता है, गुस्सा नो, इट टाइज यू अप, इट कीप्स यू लाइक दैट, इट्स होल्ड्स यू लाइक दिस। ओके, टेक योर हैंड्स ऑफ प्लीज, थैंक यू सो मच, वेरी नाइस। ओके, सो हाँ, आई विल जस्ट समराइज नाउ, वेयर आर वी? अच्छा, कुछ सवाल है क्या? ये थोड़ा आधा अधूरा है क्योंकि वक्त का इश्यू है, तो वुड यू लाइक टू मीट अगेन फॉर अनदर सेशन, मीन्स वी कंटिन्यू टू वर्क ऑन दिस, और भी जो हमारे बिलीव्स वगैरह है उस पर हम थोड़ा काम कर सकें।